How to fix Samsung F36 cannot receive text messages. So let's start the video. First of all, check your network connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your network connection. After that, open your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then scroll down and click on messages. After clicking on messages app, then scroll down and click on storage, and here you can clear the cache memory of messages app. After clear the cache memory, then go back and click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on back general management and then click on reset. Now scroll down and click on reset network settings and then again click on reset settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.